Hello everyone, welcome back to another Android episode. Today I'll be teaching you about broadcast receivers in Android. Actually, the broadcast receiver class is deprecated right of now, but we'll see two examples for broadcast receivers. First thing, let's have an activity made. And the next thing, we'll make a package called model, and here we'll provide a new class called receiver 1, and inside the receiver one we'll extend it to broadcast receiver and we'll implement all methods. We'll extend this to broadcast receiver and we'll provide the onReceive method like this. And here we'll have first we'll check for the airplane mode on in this broadcast receiver. We'll say first we'll have boolean state equal to intent dot get boolean extra, and here we say state and pass false for the default value. And the next thing, we'll check if the boolean state is there, and if it's there we'll toast context and we'll say airplane mode on, and if it's else we'll copy this and paste it here and say airplane mode off like this. We'll save this and we'll go to the main activity, and here we'll copy this class from here and paste it right under the onDestroy. And here in the activity main we'll have a text view called air, and we'll declare it here, and we'll have it here as well as find view by id r.id.air actually is double R like this. And the next thing, we'll call our receiver 1 equals new receiver 1, and we'll have intent filter equals to new intent filter, and we say filter dot add action, and here we say android dot intent dot action dot airplane underscore mode. And the next thing, we register the receiver, we say 1 and provide the filter like this, and we save this. And when we make a broadcast receiver, we must have a unregister button in the destroy. We say unregister receiver and pass the receiver to this. We'll have to copy this receiver from here and paste it here, and we'll say 1 here. Alright, next thing, in the state we say ar.setText and provide airplane mode on, and here also ar.setText airplane mode off. We'll save everything and let's run this now. And we get nothing. Now let's turn on the airplane mode. We'll go here and press this. And now you can see that airplane mode is on. Now let's turn it off now. And when we do that, you can see that airplane mode is off. And the next thing, we'll make a broadcast receiver to check the internet. For that we need a service manager class like this. In it we have declared the context, and the next thing we have made a connection is network available boolean, which checks for connectivity manager and returns network info if not null and the network info is connected. So we'll make a receiver 2 now. Here we check if the internet connection exists, and if it exists we say network available to do operations, so otherwise we say network not available. For that we use the boolean check internet. Here in the check internet we check the service manager is available, is network available, returns true or false. And now let's go to the main activity 2, and here I have registered the receiver 2 here and made the intent filter, and I've added an action by add action as android.net.con.connectivity change, and finally I have registered the receiver and the filter. And in the super on destroy I have unregistered the receiver like this. Now let's run this and check the output. We can see the network available to do operations are in progress. So here if we didn't apply the internet connection, we see the other thing, that network is not available. Now let's try to add the text view to this. We'll have text view here placed called air, and we'll copy this ID from here and we'll save this. When we'll go to main activity 2, and here we'll declare the text view air, and we'll say air equals to find view by id r.id.air. Actually it's this air. And the next thing, we remove all this code and we'll copy the receiver 2 class from here and paste it here like this. And inside this we'll have air.setText and provide our network available do operations inside it. And here also we say setText and paste it, and we say network not available. Okay, and now let's run this again. And we get network available do operations like this. So if we change the internet connection, we will get network not available. So this is what I wanted to teach you in this video. I've taught you about broadcast receivers in this video and how to operate with them. And so, because the broadcast receivers are deprecated as of now, we can't use the fully functional broadcast receivers inside our application. But we can do the things I did earlier and check the outputs. So this is it for today's video, and I'll see you in another video another time. Until then, goodbye guys, and please take care.